It's 5 a.m. The world is silent, but for most people, that silence doesn't last. It gets shattered by the glow of a phone screen, notifications, messages, the urge to check what you missed before your body even moves. Your mind is already overloaded, pulled in different directions. This is how most people begin their day. Not in control, but in reaction, and over time, that reaction becomes fatigue. Not because your body is weak, but because it never got the chance to organize itself. Centuries ago, this problem was already understood. High in the mountains of China, within the discipline of the Shaolin monks, they approached mornings differently, not with urgency, but with structure, not with randomness, but with precision. They engineered a precise internal protocol, a way to prepare the body and mind before the outside world could interfere. They called this protocol the Shaolin Dawn Protocol, and they built this protocol into the first hour of the day, a system you can still use today. But to understand how it works, you need to see the structure behind it. The first hour of the day is not neutral. Biologically, your system is shifting state. Cortisol rises, breathing changes, blood flow redistributes. This is your body preparing for action. But if you interrupt this process with stress, with distraction, with urgency, you don't activate the system, you fragment it. And when the system is fragmented, energy drops, focus breaks, fatigue builds early. Shaolin systems didn't resist this. They aligned with it. They took the first hour and turned it into a structure of 5 gates, each one restoring a critical function. 5 gates, not random habits, a sequence. Miss the order, and the system weakens. Follow it, and the body reorganizes. The 5 gates protocol: stillness, breath, activation, endurance, direction. 5 gates, 1 system. The first gate: stillness. Before movement, there is stillness. No phone, no noise, no input, just sitting, breathing naturally. This is not relaxation. This is interruption. You are stopping the automatic stress loop before it begins. In modern terms, this stabilizes the morning cortisol spike. Instead of reacting, the nervous system settles. Clarity returns. Because a distracted mind cannot control a body. The second gate: breath. From stillness comes breath. Slow inhale, controlled exhale. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just rhythm. Because before a Shaolin monk was trusted with movement, he was trained to control his internal state. Breath does that. It regulates heart rate, improves oxygen delivery, shifts the body out of reaction into control. Over time, this becomes your baseline. So when stress comes later, you don't collapse into it. You stay steady. The third gate: activation. Now, the body moves, but not with intensity, with awareness. Neck, shoulders, spine, hips, slow rotations, controlled ranges. This is not exercise. This is activation. You're telling every joint, every tissue, every connection, wake up. Because stiffness is not weakness, it's disconnection. And before strength can exist, movement must return. The fourth gate: endurance. Now the shift happens. From slow to effort. Running, stances, push-ups. The body is now under load. Breathing increases. Heart rate rises. But here's the difference. The system is already prepared. So instead of chaos, there is control. Shaolin training often uses positions like the horse stance. Low, still, uncomfortable. Not to build muscle, but to build endurance inside discomfort. Because strength is not just force. It's the ability to hold structure under pressure. The fifth gate: direction. As the body settles, the final step begins. Not movement, decision, one intention, one direction for the day. Not a long list, just one. Because energy without direction gets wasted, but energy with direction becomes force. This is where preparation meets the real world. 5 gates, one system. Stillness controls the mind. Breath controls the state. Activation restores connection. Endurance builds strength. Direction focuses it. Do this once, you feel different. Do this daily, you become different. Because the body doesn't rise to intention, it falls to structure. Most people start their day already behind, reacting, rushing, fragmented. Shaolin systems don't allow that. They take the first hour and turn it into an advantage. You don't need a temple, you need structure. Tomorrow morning, before the world reaches you, try the sequence. 5 gates. And see what kind of day you build from it. If you understand this, comment, discipline, and tell me which gate you're missing right now.